Good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I really appreciate the law enforcement community that's here. Oregon State Police Superintendent Travis Hampton, Portland Police Chief Outlaw, and of course Multnomah County Sheriff Mike Reese. In light of the news of Attorney General Sessions' announcement that is literally ripping the rug out from underneath the marijuana industry, in Oregon we're going to choose to move forward. We have worked very hard over the last several months to implement the principles of the Cole Memorandum. And the reason why that is important is because the focus of the Cole Memorandum is to keep our children safe and keep marijuana off the black market. And this has been a coordinated effort with federal, state, and local jurisdictions, and it has been very successful. We've also worked very closely with the Oregon legislature to pass legislation to ensure tracking from seed to sale for marijuana, as well as increasing penalties for marijuana violations. The result of all this collaborative work is that we have now a thriving marijuana industry. The industry has created over 19,000 jobs throughout the state of Oregon, adding over $100 million in revenue to schools, to public safety, and to drug and alcohol treatment in Oregon in the last year and a half. It's absolutely imperative that we have those resources. These are jobs in our underserved communities and communities across Oregon that are really struggling, and they're good paying jobs. So it's a thriving economy. These are local businesses that are doing really, really well. This is extremely concerning given the fact that our president has said he wants the states to be the laboratories of democracy, that he wants us to move forward on states' rights issues. And I can think of no better illustration of the laboratory of democracy than our initiative process. Oregonians voted overwhelmingly to legalize marijuana. We are implementing the will of the voters here in a way that is successful for the economy. I am happy to take any questions, and I appreciate you all being here. We look forward to working with our U.S. Attorney's Office to implement the Cole Memorandum for the District of Oregon.
Governor, what have you heard from the U.S. Attorney?
I spoke with the U.S. Attorney this morning before there was any official announcement. I have not spoken to him since then.
What did he say?
They'll certainly review the Sessions Memorandum, and we'll be talking soon.
Governor Brown, what are your legal options? What legal recourse do you have if the feds decide to prosecute the cannabis industry in Oregon?
We've been in, for everyone, the question is what are our legal options? We've been in close communication with the State Attorney General, Ellen Rosenblum, and we'll be pursuing all legal options available to us.
Governor, will any state or local law enforcement be used to implement any federal actions against marijuana?
Speak to that.
Thanks.
The short answer is no. State troopers, city police officers, deputy sheriffs, we enforce state statute in Oregon. As the governor made very clear, either through voter, at the ballot box, through initiatives, through our Oregon legislative process, citizens of Oregon have determined marijuana recreationally is legal to be used in a responsible manner, and so we will not target people that are operating lawfully within state statute.
Do you have any expectation on when you'll have more clarity from the U.S. Attorney on what his stance is?
I hope over the next 48 hours that we will have clarity from the U.S. Attorney. I am well aware that it's important that folks have an opportunity to review all the legal options available to them. But we know that the state of Colorado, the U.S. Attorney there, has already made a decision to move forward in implementing the Cole Memorandum. We think the policy makes sense. The priority of the policy is to keep our children safe and to make sure that we keep marijuana off the black markets. It's been successful here. We want to continue that path.
Governor, what would you say to business owners who might hear this today and be concerned?
Well, I think it's extremely unsettling for our business community. This is a new and thriving industry. And when I talk to business owners, the things they want are certainty and stability. And this definitely has ripped the rug out from underneath investments that they have made in this new and thriving industry. As I mentioned, this is a job creator for Oregon, over 19,000 jobs. These are good paying jobs in communities across the state that are struggling. We will work to restore that sense of stability and certainty in the state of Oregon.
When you spoke with the U.S. Attorney today, I assume that was in light of the AP report or the reports coming out. Was he aware of it? I mean, had he been told by the DOJ in Washington this was coming?
He was certainly aware of it. I don't know what his discussions have been with U.S. officials.
Time for a couple more. Governor, can you give us your position on offshore drilling as far as the state is concerned?
Well, Oregon values and our Oregon coastal economies require that we protect both offshore and nearshore and prohibit drilling. I'm appalled that our president would move contrary to Oregon values, frankly, contrary to West Coast values. And frankly, these moves will be very damaging to our coastal economies, both the natural resource economy and the recreational and tourism economies.
Have you heard from other West Coast governors on this?
We've certainly talked with Governor Brown's office and with Governor Inslee's office. We are united in our opposition to this move by the president. Thank you all very much.